Woohoo! So heavy! Welcome back to Chibugana! Bababa ko muna to! Bigat! Yeah! Ito ating titikman mamaya. Chibugana here at the Muller house, Muller family, at the comfort of their garage. At abangan natin mamaya. Kakain tayo ng masarap na Lechon De Leche.
That sound is the crunchy, crispy crust.
Mm.
Do you feel the water so you can know the temperature? Just go like that.
Expert. Oh, that's your technique. You don't put the boiled water from.
It was really boiling.
Okay.
Yeah, it
so
was
you
really
have
boiling.
to.
Cool it down a little bit.
That's the secret.
Really hot. Oh wow.
Already feeling it. Tapos na, wala may kalimutan.
Just like you're massaging it.
Mugta na.
How you're timing it, how fast you it. So right now it's around 1 minute 36 seconds.
No more ba?
Not even 30 seconds.
So
Huh?
How to breastfeed in 1 minute? Oh, not even 1 minute. I think.
something like that. There's a ribbon.
So that when you pull the intestine inside, the popo don't break inside.
It helps. Learn from the master.
Yeah.
Later for Brendan. Lechon titi.
You want to try the lechon titi? I don't like. You were laughing, you want to try the lechon titi. Don't worry.
So whoever gets drunk tonight get to eat the lechon titi. Whoever gets drunk, we're gonna serve him the lechon titi.
Kita mo, from eating, mamuti-muti.
Hey, from this to this.
Again.
From this color
To this. So heavy. Welcome back to Chibugana. Bababa ko muna to. Bigat! Yeah. Whew, so heavy. So, another episode of Chibugana. Ito ating titikman mamaya. Nakita nyo naman yung mga steps, how they prepared from this and becoming to this and the stitching and all. So they're prepping up Chibugana here at the Muller house, Muller family, at the comfort of their garage. At abangan natin mamaya. Kakain tayo ng masarap na Lechon De Leche. See you later. Mainit-init pa, golden brown, crispy. Lechon De Leche. Wow, that sound is the crunchy, crispy crust. Can't wait. Let's go.
Ibukan na! Mga tanga!
Ibukan na mga.
We make here. This is the here.
Papa Carl's chopping it.
Apao. This is a medium rare pig, ah. It's not a full puppy.
Wow. Crunchy.
It's very juicy. Anyway.
Sound.
Ay!
Ay, mason.
Can I take one small skin?
Okay, yeah. Of course, come on.
So crunchy, man. The skin. The best, man. Papa Cow. The best.
Even the onion, ah.
Dahil naiingit yung cameraman, susubuan natin yung cameraman. Oh, yan.
Tikman mo yung meat kasi yun yung...
Yun nga.
Bato
ka dyan, bro. Nakakarami na ako agad.
But you have to emphasize that everywhere that you went and make a shooting and everything, nobody ever cook you a lechon.
Of course, man.
The best.
Of course. Of course.
You're the man, Papa
I'm
Carl.
so loved here in Pampanga, the Mullers. Thank you so much for your hospitality and generosity.
Arigato
Mr. Bing.
gozaimasu.
So, chibuga na.
Chibo ka na. Mangan, I forgot what it is. Mangan tanga.
Mangan tanga. Diba?